Your iPhone camera is way more powerful than you're using it for. Here are the settings you need to change right now to actually take advantage of it. Before we start, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip. 1. Grid and level. Go to Settings, Camera, and turn on Grid. This adds a grid overlay to help you compose your shots using the rule of thirds. Then turn on Level as well. This adds a horizontal line that appears when you tilt your phone, helping you keep your shots perfectly straight.
2. Lens correction. In camera settings, scroll down and make sure lens correction is turned on. This automatically corrects distortion from the ultra-wide lens for more natural-looking photos. 3. Lens cleaning reminders. In camera settings, turn on lens cleaning hints. Your iPhone will notify you when it detects smudges or dirt on your camera lens, so you never ruin a photo without realizing why. 4. Preserve settings. In camera settings, tap Preserve Settings and turn on the modes you want to stick, like Creative Control, Exposure, or Live Photo. This way your camera remembers your preferences instead of resetting every time you open the app. 5. Mirror front camera. In camera settings, turn on Mirror front camera. Now your selfies will match what you actually see in the mirror instead of being flipped. 6. Record video settings. Go to Settings, Camera, Record Video, and choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. For most people, 4K at 30 FPS is the sweet spot. Great quality without huge file sizes. 7. Camera indicators. In camera settings, tap Indicators. Here you can turn on or off indicators like action mode, dual capture, and flash that appear while the camera is open. Keep the ones you find useful and turn off the rest. 8. Lock focus and exposure, camera control. If your iPhone has a camera control button, go to Settings, Camera, Camera Control, and turn on Lock Focus and Exposure. Now you can lightly press and hold the camera control while reframing your shot, and the focus and exposure stay locked. Perfect for backlit subjects or tricky lighting. 9. Require screen on, camera control. Still in camera control settings, turn off Require screen on. Now a single press instantly opens the camera, even when your screen is off, so you never miss a spontaneous shot. 9 settings, a couple minutes, and your camera game just leveled up. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and check the link in the description to follow me everywhere.